Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Dolphin Anty tutorial, the anti-detect browser for Teams in 20. This is going to be a really comprehensive guide, so stick around because I'm going to cover everything you need to know. Dolphin Anty is a team-oriented anti-detect browser designed for managing multiple online accounts. It creates isolated browser profiles, each with a unique digital fingerprint, making it appear as if each profile is a different person on a different device. This is essential for social media management, e-commerce operations, affiliate marketing, and any work requiring multiple accounts. Let's start with what makes Dolphin Anty different from other anti-detect browsers. Dolphin Anty's key differentiator is its team collaboration features. You can share browser profiles between team members without sharing passwords. Team managers can assign profiles to specific team members. Activity logs track who did what in which profile. And role-based permissions control who can create, edit, or delete profiles. This makes it particularly popular with agencies and teams managing accounts for multiple clients. For the core features, Dolphin Anty provides browser fingerprint management, where each profile gets a unique combination of canvas hash, WebGL fingerprint, audio context fonts, screen resolution, time zone language, and dozens of other parameters. Proxy integration supports HTTP, HTTPS, SOX5, and SSH proxies per profile. Cookie management lets you import and export cookies between profiles. Automation support provides API access for programmatic profile creation and management. And there's a free tier that includes 10 profiles for individual users. Now let's walk through setting up Dolphin Anty. First, download and install from the official website. Create an account and choose your plan. The free plan includes 10 profiles, which is enough to get started. Once installed, you create a new browser profile. For each profile, you configure the operating system to match your proxy's location. Set the browser type and version. Assign a proxy. Configure the time zone and language to match the proxy's geographic location, and optionally import cookies if you have them. For proxy configuration, each Dolphin Anty profile should have its own dedicated proxy. Residential proxies provide the most natural-looking connections. Match the proxy location to the profile's time zone and language settings. For social media accounts, mobile proxies provide the highest trust scores. And for e-commerce, residential proxies from the target marketplace's country work best. For team management, the admin creates the team workspace and invites members. Profiles are organized into folders for different projects or clients. Team members only see profiles assigned to them. The admin can set permissions for each team member, like view only, edit, or full control. And all activity is logged, so the admin can see which team member accessed which profile and when. Now, some best practices for using Dolphin Anty. Always warm up new profiles gradually. Don't jump straight into heavy activity with a new browser profile. Browse naturally for a few days first. Keep fingerprint settings realistic. Don't enable every fingerprint spoofing option. Match your profile to a real device configuration. Use consistent proxies. Don't switch proxy locations for the same profile. This is a major red flag for platforms. Keep profiles organized. Use folders and naming conventions that make it easy to find profiles. Back up regularly by exporting your profiles periodically in case of software issues. Now for some frequently asked questions. Is Dolphin Anty free? Dolphin Anty offers a free plan with 10 browser profiles. Paid plans start at around $89 per month for 100 profiles and include team features, automation API, and priority support. How does Dolphin Anty compare to GoLogin and Multilogin? All three are solid anti-detect browsers. Dolphin Anty's strongest point is team collaboration. GoLogin offers a good balance of features and price. Multilogin is the most established but also the most expensive. Choose based on whether team features, price, or fingerprint quality is your top priority. Can platforms detect Dolphin Anty? No anti-detect browser is 100% undetectable. However, when configured properly with good proxies and realistic fingerprints, Dolphin Anty profiles are extremely difficult to link to each other. The main detection risks come from behavioral patterns, not the browser fingerprint itself. Do I need proxies with Dolphin Anty? Yes. Using Dolphin Anty without proxies means all your profiles share the same IP address, which defeats the purpose. Each profile should have its own dedicated proxy. Residential or mobile proxies provide the best results. How many accounts can I manage with Dolphin Anty? The free plan supports 10 profiles. Paid plans go up to thousands of profiles. The practical limit depends on your proxy infrastructure and how actively you use each account. Alright, that's everything for today on the Dolphin Anty tutorial. We covered a lot of ground and I really hope this gives you the foundation you need to move forward confidently. Don't forget to check out our other guides at dataresearchtools.com for more in-depth content on related topics. Until next time, take care and happy browsing.